Hey guys, happy Tuesday. We got a new model to look at that I picked up in Nebraska over the weekend. It is Revell's 1/82nd scale big boy locomotive. Here's the side of the box. Here's the back. Just shows you some of the trains. Let's have a look. Here's our engine. It's all one piece. Here's our coal car. Here is the top, or the bottom of the locomotive. Here's our tracks. So it has railroad tracks for a base. Miscellaneous piece here. Here's the top of the coal car with the coal on it. This is going to be a long project I build over the winter. So here we got part of the wheels, the front, part of the engine, the lines that run to it. Here's all of our wheels for the train, wheel assemblies. There's the other side of the wheels. It's another miscellaneous part. Not a lot to it, but I think it'll be a fun build. My brother-in-law works for Union Pacific, so I'm gonna build it and give it to him next year after the winter when I'm done with it. Here's our Union Pacific decals in very good shape. For as old as this kit is, it's surprising. Here's our instructions on how to build it. Seems like a lot of the parts just lock in place, but it'll still be a challenge. Especially doing all these wheels and weathering them and getting them painted. Here's what it looks like on the track. Side picture just kind of tells you how to paint it. So very cool. Very, very cool. And I got a shop card from Models by Jay on TikTok and on YouTube. You should try following him on both. He sells a lot of models. He has a lot of cool kits for sale. So check him out on YouTube and TikTok, Models by Jay. He also has a Facebook group. I'll try and hold the card up here so you can see it. It's Model Car Builders of North Carolina, South Carolina, and Virginia. They are on Facebook. I am a member, even though I don't live in that area. They post a lot of cool stuff on their Facebook page, so go check that out. Also got a couple cool stickers of with their logo, a couple of their builds. So thank you, Models by Jay, for that. Greatly appreciate it. Someday I will have shop cards. Alright, also got the interior painted on the Mustang. Got the chassis painted. So I can just come back, start doing the exhaust, suspension. Got the engine together enough to where I can get it painted. And I got the wheels all assembled. Just stock Mustang wheels. But other than that, you guys all have a great day. If you haven't subscribed already, please remember to subscribe. And smash that like button and leave a comment. I welcome all comments. Other than that, you guys all have a great day.